So basically, like I said, what I'll be sharing is just basic, just I think I've done this before, but I've done the video before. But a lot of people, they probably they won't go over it again. So I'll quickly run through it again. Just start to how you can use MetaMask, how you can connect your MetaMask, your JuSwap, and your Pancakeswap, how you can change it to Binance Smart Chain, and then how you can also use some other how you can also earn on your stable coins on some other protocols. So moving forward, basically, um um I'll be focusing on just Binance Smart Chain because Ethereum fees is crazy. I'm trying to avoid Ethereum by everything. There was one coin I wanted to buy recently on Ethereum. I think I dropped it to the group. I can't remember the name. That was like some couple of weeks ago, about 2-3 weeks ago. And I went to Uniswap and I wanted to swap the coin. I want to swap for the coin. I want to swap Ethereum for the coin. And I paid like 65 dollars as transfer as fees, as gas fees. Sorry, as gas fees. The funny thing was the total coin I was buying. I was spending just about $500 for that coin to just buy everything, and each coin was around probably $15 or so. And imagine they charged me about $65. Guess what? I was unable to buy that coin because it didn't confirm. That transaction did not confirm. It was just very frustrating. And the funniest thing was that the following day that coin now did about 200 or 300%. The thing paid me. So Ethereum network has been very frustrating. That's the truth. I hope their EIP 1559 will solve the problem. The one they're proposing, to start by July. I hope it's going to solve the problem. I hope the miners, will not sabotage that move. So I don't want to even be discussing Ethereum's gas fees. It's too much. So basically, let's move ahead. So for those that are still having issues with understanding how to use MetaMask, how to use all these other protocol, like JuSwap and whatnot, this is not something that is very difficult. It's very simple. Just a lot of us don't pay attention. So this is the MetaMask website. This is a decentralized wallet. It's a wallet that give you your own seed that you can always import, even if something happens to probably your laptop or something, or you lose your phone or something, you can always import it to download the link to use it somewhere else. So because you have control over your seed, unlike centralized wallet like say like Coinbase, say like blockchain, MetaMask give you that you are the one in charge of your coin, because you have access to the seed. So having said that, once you come to metamask.io, I hope I'm communicating. I hope you guys can hear me. Please let me know if you can.
Yes.
Okay.
I can hear you.
All right. Thank you. So basically, once you come to metamask.io, you just click on download. If I click on download now, because I already have it on my own desktop. So if I click on download, it's going to. I use it on my laptop. I don't know, but you can use it on the phone too. Because it gives you Chrome, it gives you iOS and Android. As you can see, this Android is iOS. You can. So I'm using it with Chrome. So you click on the Chrome, then you click on install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay. Once you click on install MetaMask for Chrome, it's going to ask you to sign up. So while you are signing up, it's also going to because I already have it here. But okay, let me try it. If it's not going to tell me I already have it. Okay, so this is it. I already have it. I don't need to remove it. So you once I install it, you are going to have it on your as your extension. on your browser, your Chrome browser, like this. The way you see it's showing on my own like this. Okay. So then you create an account. Then during the process of creating an account, it's going to ask you for your password. You create a password. During that process, it's also going to generate some keys, some seed keys for you, some words. You know, that those are your seed keys. Those are the ones you save. You have to save it somewhere. Probably write it down on the offline. You can, security wise, it's better to write it down in the book instead of keeping it online. You know, some people keep it on their notepad. If you know your laptop, if you know you don't have malware on your laptop, you can keep it on your laptop, your notepad, you know. But please don't store it on your email, because they can hack your email, and that will be, and from there they can hack your wallet. So basically, they have access to the form when they do that. So once you have done that, you will see that it's going to appear on your browser like this, where my cursor is. So anytime you want to do any transaction, you just click on it like this. It's going to show up. Okay, it will always appear on your Metamask, where my cursor is. So you already have your wallet sorted. Now, because we are working on the Binance Smart Chain, the MetaMask comes by default on Ethereum, on the Ethereum network. Right? If I change it now, this is Ethereum minutes. It comes by default on this Ethereum network. If I go down, you see it on Binance Smart Chain. So you now have to, basically what you need to do is you need to customize it to accept Binance Smart Chain by clicking on where you see where the right custom. As soon as you download it and you have it on your Chrome, so this is what you are going to have. It's going to come on the Ethereum, basically just on the Ethereum. Let me cancel. So you are going to have it on this network, the Ethereum mainnet. So you need to change it by customizing it. Click on custom RPC. I've done this video before, so I'm not going to waste time on this. So you click on custom RPC, and then you now enter your this network. As you can see, please, you need, probably if you can just note it, because it's a video, you'll see it when I post it again anyway. So you see network name, you put it here. The network name is Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain. And the URL, this is your URL, HTTPS, you copy and paste, and the chain ID is OX38, you put it there. Currency symbol is BNB, and then last one is scan.com. Then you save it. So that way you already have your BSC. So I've already switched to Binance Smart Chain. Then you have something like this. Okay, so you now have something like this. Yeah, although it doesn't come with BNB, you have zero. I'm doing that transfer from my Binance exchange. Okay, so now if you now want to use say you want to use JuSwap, you will need to connect. You see where the right connect. There's a place the right connect, because I've already connected my home. This one is already connected. So you will click on it, and then you enter your password, and then you connect it. That's about it. Okay, then it's going to show. Your BNB, now you need to move BNB here.
Not disturbing me.
By default, please, so guys, can you just mute yourself? Thank you. So by default, this thing comes by default. It comes with it gives you a wallet by default. Like this is my own wallet. On this wallet, this is my own Binance Smart Chain wallet. So this is the wallet you are going to copy. You copy this address, and then you go to your Binance exchange. That's where you are going to send your Binance, because majorly what you are going to be used to pay gas fee is Binance, is BNB. So when you're transferring Binance from your Binance exchange, from your exchange to this wallet, to your MetaMask, you choose BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and it's very, very fast. It's very, very fast. So you have it connected like this. So it's connected. And so that's just about it. Then on my today's class is not to show you how to buy coins on Swap. I just want to share how to use Binance Smart Chain, with MetaMask. I've done a video on that. Probably I'll drop it in the group after this. So that's just about it. So I haven't said that. What I just want to share with you is today. I just quickly say, let me just share for people that say they don't understand to use it. If you have any other question, just drop it in the WhatsApp group. So I don't know whether you guys remember I shared about Nexus sometimes back. I was sharing about Nexus sometimes back. How you can make extra money. What I do is that when I trade and I convert my coins to stable coin, I play around with it on different websites to earn extra funds instead of just keeping it in stable coin. Okay, so like Nexo pays you 12%. Actually they pay you 10%. But if you convert your coin to their token, which is Nexo token, they'll pay you extra 2%. And they pay, this is per annum, is APY. You see where they write APY. And this APY is on stable coins. I'm actually talking about stable coins, probably USDC, USDT. They pay 10%. Okay, but the only downside is that this is a centralized wallet. So Nexo looks very strong. They've been around for a while, so they've been around for a while. Number one. Then number two, it's low risk. It's low risk because you're not taking any risk. You're just leaving your money with them, and then they're paying you. They pay you on a daily, because I know I have some money there that I just left there, some stable coin, and they're paying me every day. So they pay you on a daily basis. But then they pay you 10%. Okay. So, but it's low risk because and they've been around for a while, like I said. And they also have a coin that's doing very well in the market. I think it's $2 now. It has really moved on. As a last year, that coin was less than $1. It's now 2 point something dollars, if I'm not mistaken, and it's doing very well. So that's next. So then let me I can now let me share with you other, for example, on Pancakeswap. What you can do with stablecoin. If you look at this stablecoin, although I've not played with this one, your APR is 597%. This is big. But the one I'm playing with at the moment, right here, I think USDT, there's USDC BUSD. Okay, look at this one, USDC BUSD, 18.66%, which is very, very good, which is better than Nexo. Nexo is paying 12%, right? On Pancakeswap, if you provide liquidity for USDC, and this is a stable coin, so it's pretty stable. It's not like other coins are not stable. So you suffering permanent loss here is very, very. I'm not sure you can even suffer in permanent loss because you are just providing liquidity for stablecoin. If you look at the details, it's going to give you the details, and then you also earn cake. You also earn cake, and then you earn 18.7%. If you look at DAI is also a stable coin with BUSD. If you are providing liquidity for this, you are earning 19.78%, which is not bad. VI BUSD. This VI is a coin that really is also a stable coin, but it ranges a lot. This VI. I think is above 1% now. Sorry, let me quickly check on my check up. I quickly want to check the price of VI. I think right now is above. I'm not sure if it's above. It's also a stable coin. Okay, it's less than one. It's less than $1. So, and they are paying 27%. Now on USDT BUSD, They are doing 14%. So that means if you are taking your USDT is your Theta and your BUSD is Binance stablecoin. So their APR is not bad too, 14%. If you look at USDT BND, BMD is 29.9%. So with stablecoin, you can also earn some extra funds. Instead of you just leaving it in your this thing. Another this thing I'm going to share with you. Okay, this is an exchange actually. I have some stablecoin here too that is earning me extra funds too. Like I always say, cryptocurrency is not just about trading, buying and selling, which is majorly the major thing. But then there are also so many ways where you can earn money passively. On this site, I've really earned a lot of money on this particular site. On this one. On this one now, you see where the right investment. On your USDC, you are earning 46.4%. You just leave it there and then they pay you. This 46.4%, don't forget it's per annum, but they pay you on a daily basis and you can withdraw your money anytime. Okay, on USDC. On USDT, 44.3%. You are just taking it, you are just leaving it there. You can see that this one is higher than Pancakeswap. Some of the Pancakeswap for stablecoin, it's a bit higher, 46.4%. Then you are 44.3%. Okay. And this site I've been using it for a while too. It's very good. So having said that, then this farm, this website, Farm Army. This Farm Army, this one's the kind of returns they pay. Sometimes I'm afraid. Let me look for USD. Now USDT, BUSD. If you are providing liquidity on this website for them, you are earning 13.74 APY. If you look at this BUSD, you are earning 38%. If I go down, if you look at BDO, BDO, I've not started playing with BDO. BDO is also a stable coin. I've not started playing with BDO actually. But I know I've seen guys that have been playing with it. Probably the next video. Yeah. Probably the next video I'm going to make, or probably the next webinar, I'm going to talk about BDO extensively. But the truth is, I've not started playing it. But I've noticed that in most of all these protocols I've seen around, they paid very high on BDO. Look at this one is 2 point. This is 2,000% of APY. This is 33.51%. So, and also I need to also say that you also have to know that the higher the percentage they are paying on your stable coin, the more risky it is. Okay. So you also have to know that you are taking risk. Because some of these my fear for some of these protocols is that they can hack them. Like we saw with Pancakeswap and one other this thing. But thankfully, funds were not lost on those protocols. But some of them, when they act them like that, they will tell you that your money has gone. So, but then you also have to be very careful. So what I do is I really don't put much money. When I see crazy APY, I try to play safe, probably just put $1,000 and just leave it for a while and just watch. So if you look at this one, they're paying 2,300%, which is very high. They're paying 33.51% on this one. On this DAI BUSD, they're paying 19.5. USDC, this one is 19. VAI, the one I just showed you, 29.4. Now if you just take your USDT with them, you notice this one is just leaving your USDT there on Venus is 46.79%. The same thing with your USDC, 45.91%. So this is what they pay every day. Okay. So then Autofarm is a yield aggregator. A yield aggregator allows you to make more money than the usual protocol like Pancakeswap. it allows you to compound. You can compound your money on this one. I'm going to do an extensive training on this one too, because I know I've not shared Autofarm with you people. So on Autofarm, you can notice that cake, see the return 289%. If I go down, they'll give you the breakdown. APY calculations, farm APY 133% just on cake. When you use Autofarm, auto multiplier, you see where they write 2.0%. So all this, it will now add up. This one is 268.9% plus this. So the total APY you earn is 289.2%. Please, all this percentage is not daily. It's actually annually, but then they pay you, the percentage on a daily basis. You see it on your account on a daily basis. Now USDT on Autofarm is 45.5%. As you can see, it's 45.5%. And then if you go through, you can also take your time and go through. You can see if you are providing liquidity for BUSD and USDT, you're earning 32.4%. If you are providing liquidity for BUSD and VI, you're earning 47.8%, and so on and so forth. Now there's one other one that I'm using too. This one is very good. Acryptos. Acryptos also pay. Acryptos is also like a lead aggregator, like Autofarm. Now, if you're just taking your BNB with them, if you have BNB and you push it, you'll be earning 44.2%. If you have a Swipe and BTC, if you provide the liquidity for Swipe and BTC, 90% APY, and you see how much they pay you on a daily basis. With $10,000, there's one protocol I want to show you. I think it's this too. With $10,000 on a daily basis, they were paying me like almost like about $90. It was crazy. Now look at DAI. We have DAI. DAI is also a stable coin. DAI they are paying 54.3%. USDT is paying 46.9%. So Link and so on and if you are providing liquidity for USDT, BUSD, 43.8%. So what I do is I just spread my money around, I always say that you don't keep your money in the bank. So, but why are not keeping your money in the bank? Why are not keeping all your money in the bank? You want to play around with it, Abby. So one of the easiest way to play safe with all these lead aggregator is to use stablecoin, so that your stablecoin is earning something for you on all this, on this side. But like I said, pay attention when the return is crazy. Just know that you are taking risk. So and anything can happen. So it's not. But then so far, I've used Acryptos, I've used Autofarm, I've used Farm Army. I've not been using it. I've not been using it aggressively like that. Okay. Then if you go to Value DeFi, this I don't discover this one, but I really haven't used this one like that. I actually just discovered it. So I actually haven't used this. I just discovered. I just let me just share with you. And their return is also very, 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 very okay. If you are providing liquidity for USDT BNB, they are paying 68.9%. Video. Can you see video? I have to talk about video. This coin, I think I'll have to check it out. This BSwap, 138%. So basically, then there's this one. This one is a coin I really didn't. I really don't want to pay attention. I really don't want to this particular protocol. I won't say you should use it because it's not. I've not verified it. This particular one, this BN.5. Let me close it. So basically, those are just the ones I've been playing around with. So I just let me share with you guys so that you can. There's yield. This yield U.app is just like this one is like Nexo. They are not paying so much, 10%. But like I said, the lower the percentage return, the less the risk. This one is less risky. Just like Nexo. Your risk is you are not taking so much risk. Unlike all these high ones. But then so far I've been using this one for a while. And Autofarm probably for more than 3 months now. You know. So I'll just take a few questions before we round up. I don't know if anybody have any question concerning all this stuff before we call it a day.
Yeah, Lola, can we have the
Alex.
links?
Oh, the links, yes, of course. I'm recording it, so I'll drop the video so you could then you see then all the links. I'll probably drop it on the group. Okay. Like I said, you can just play around with it.
Okay, I want to ask a question.
Okay, madam.
Yeah. What is the risk factor of this whole different exchange? Like you said, they can be hacked. Whatever we're doing is at our own discretion, right?
Yeah.
But in a nutshell, with your experience, what is in a ratio of 1 to 10? What can you say is the risk factor here?
Well, for the ones that have been using that and they are quite stable, like Autofarm is very good. They also have a coin. You can also win their coin. If you go to if you check Autofarm has also been around for a while.
Because this is really good. Instead of me, like me, I bought GOT for the long hold. Instead of me leaving it in Binance, it's looking at me, I'm looking at it. I can be using it to generate income, right?
Yeah, sure. Just passive, something. Oh, see, one Autofarm is 4,449. I think one time it went as high as 7,000, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Okay. So Autofarm is one of the top protocol on the Binance Smart Chain. Autofarm, Venus, Pancakeswap. So Autofarm is very good. Pancakeswap, it's also solid.
I still have one more question for you.
And then there's this farm army. Okay, go ahead, madam.
Okay, the other question, in juice swap, when we farm, we get Jude. Yeah. Right? Yeah. On Autofarm, is it possible for me to bring in my let's say my token or my coin from Binance to Autofarm and stake it there?
Yes. You can. So you can bring your. You can even bring, but you need to check because if you check them right, see what they provide. You see the ones that are available, right? And all this just also understand that this I'm trying these protocols on all these protocols like Autofarm, like Pancakeswap, it ends after a while. All this sometimes it's every day they update it, right? And this particular pool, it can run, and then you see some pool to run for probably for a month and then to end.
Yeah.
That means you have to end, and then you have to also look for another one.
You don't withdraw what you kept. You withdraw what you kept there. The question you've not answered me is that
let me land. You can withdraw your money anytime. If you start in the morning, you can withdraw everything because it's decentralized. You get.
Okay.
Because you are only connecting your Metamask with the coin here, with the wallet, with the protocol. So it's decentralized. So you can remove your funds any time of the day.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So the question I asked again, the final question: what do you earn? Is it what you put in that you're gonna earn?
Yes. Or yes. Now, if you have, like, for example, if you like on Autofarm, you can put if you earn more money where you also have their coins. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
When you're also holding their coins, you also earn more money on this exchange or this protocol.
Okay.
You also earn more money, but then you earn on what you put. But some of them will also give you extra coin. Now, for example, let me check this protocol. Let me see what you earn on this protocol. So okay, this one now you earn some auto rewards because you're also staking wrapped BNB and auto as you are staking the two together. Just the way you used to do on JuiceSwap, you understand?
Okay.
So you are earning autos, auto you are earning on this one. So but for the ones you are staking, look at this one now. This one is single. It's only USDT. You can see that it's not like this one.
Okay.
So this one is you'll be earning only USDT. 45.8%. So they'll be paying you.
But this one that's BNB
0.12%
and also you'll be earning auto. Okay, I get you. Thank you.
Yeah, you'll be earning.
I appreciate. Thanks.
Yeah. All right. So I think let me see. Okay.
Yeah, Lola.
Yeah, Alex. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Can we also use Trust Wallet to do all this farming apart from MetaMask, or is that?
I think MetaMask. I don't know. This Trust Wallet, Trust Wallet is mobile. I'm not a mobile. I don't use Trust Wallet really. You notice that I don't always do webinar with Trust Wallet because I don't use it. And so probably I'm more of a computer person. Laptop. Probably I'm old school. But I'm not. The truth is, I've not tried using it. But I think you should be able to use it with Trust Wallet because it's the same thing. You can also connect your Binance Smart Chain with Trust Wallet, have you?
Yes.
Exactly. So the same thing. So because all these protocols is Binance Smart Chain you are using with them. It's
okay,
Binance
thank
Smart
you.
Chain, yeah. So okay, somebody said, don't worry, I'll drop the video. Which of this protocol would you advise people to? Okay, now I've been using Autofarm for a while. Autofarm seems to be. Then Acryptos is also very good. Pancakeswap also have some very good. You just have to dig. You just have to dig for them. They also have some very pure. Then these guys, if you really want to play very safe, these guys too, they are very good. They pay 46%, which is not bad. So they're also very good. So those three for me, I think I've been playing around. What I always do is I just play around with these things, just like you just put your money and then if I tell you how much I've earned on Autofarm this month, you'll be shocked. With stablecoin, I'll just put my stablecoin, I'll just put it somewhere, I'll just be looking at it.
Please tell us how much you earned to encourage us.
But no, don't worry. When you try your hands on it, so basically, instead of you just leaving your stable coin, you just earn some extra fun. If you have been checking around, you notice that there's a lot of hype going around DeFi, and this is DeFi, and this is the future of banking. I'm telling you, this small thing that I'm teaching you, that we are seeing all this Pancakeswap, but in the next 5, 10, 15 years, this is banking. This is the future of banking. That you are seeing here. You take your money to the bank, and the bank they pay you 1%, they pay you 2%. A lot of people are getting what. If you look at Nexo, Celsius, Nexo and Celsius, they are making crazy money. I mean, they've raised billions and billions because a lot of people are moving here. This is the future of banking. Now look at what Nexo has asset under management, $5 billion. If you look at Autofarm is not even up to how many years, up to how many months, and the total value locked. The total value locked on Autofarm is already 1.1 billion already. So if you go to DeFi Pulse, let's check DeFi Pulse. I mean, it's massive.
This thing is a school. This is a school.
It's massive. Look at DeFi Pulse. Total value of $43 billion. So this is the future. If I go to BSC, Binance Smart Chain just started like it's not even how many months. It's not even up to a year.